Kung naghahanap ka ng flagship smartphone na hindi lang premium ang design pero malakas din sa camera, display performance at battery, definitely worth checking out ang Huawei Pura 90s Pro. Unahin natin sa durability. Ang Huawei Pura 90s Pro ay may IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance. So mas protected siya against dust and water compared sa ordinary smartphones. Kaya kung ginagamit mo ito outdoors sa travel or kahit sa araw-araw na paggamit, dagdag peace of mind yung protection na ito. Pagdating naman sa display, gumagamit ito ng 6.6 inch Full HD Plus LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1256 by 2760 pixels. May 120Hz refresh rate kaya smooth na scrolling, animations at gaming. Meron din itong high frequency PWM, HDR support at protection gamit ang Kunlun glass. At dahil LTPO OLED ito, magandang combination ito ng smooth 120Hz experience at better power efficiency. Kung mahilig kang manood ng videos, mag-edit ng photos or simply gusto mo lang ng premium look in display, malaking plus talaga ito. Sa performance naman, powered by the Kirin 9030S 5nm processor paired with Malion 935F GPU. May 12GB of RAM at dalawang storage options na 256GB or 512GB. So whether you're doing everyday tasks, multitasking, social media, photography or gaming, may enough hardware dito para sa demanding usage. At dahil flagship level ang specs, expected na smooth ang overall experience. Running on EMUI 16.0, kaya makakakuha ka rin ng Huawei's own software experience and features. Pero isa sa pinakamalaking highlight ng Huawei Pura 90s Pro ay definitely ang camera setup. Meron itong 50MP main camera with OIS, 50MP telephoto camera, at 12.5MP ultra-wide camera. May dual LED flash din at color temperature sensor. Ang main camera na may OIS ay malaking advantage lalo na kapag low light photography or kapag medyo gumagalaw ang kamay habang kumukuha ng shot. Then yung 50MP telephoto camera gives you more flexibility kapag gusto mong mag-zoom nang hindi umaasa lang sa digital zoom. Meron din itong ultra-wide camera para sa landscapes, group photos at wider shots. For video recording, capable ito ng up to 4K video recording. Sa selfie camera naman ay may 13MP front camera na capable din ng up to 4K video recording. Sa battery, equipped ito ng 6000 mAh battery. Malaking capacity na ito for a flagship smartphone. So you can expect good endurance for everyday use. At kapag kailangan mo nang mag-charge, supported din ito ang 66W fast charging. Pero mas interesting, may 50W wireless charging din. So hindi lang mabilis ang wired charging, may high-speed wireless charging option ka rin. Connectivity, complete na rin ang setup. May 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, RR Blaster, OTG, and USB Type-C. Sa Shopee, ang Huawei Pura 90s Pro ay nasa 54,990 pesos. Pero pwede pa ito bumaba gamit ang vouchers. So kung naghahanap ka ng high-end Huawei smartphone, definitely want to consider ang Huawei Pura 90s Pro. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga latest smartphone reviews. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Peace!